progress. Commander 9-9, please report back to ITS cockpit.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Should you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a first-order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pakara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pakara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-9 and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poltan and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Takara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Dead doors opening now.
Let's go! Transport will be leaving
All
soon!
recruits to transport.
All the way
No
forward!
need for safety gear. It'll be a smooth ride.
Deck is in motion. Recruits connecting to transport.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on deck 3
When let's
for
get the car
Takara.
up, we'll get you guys out of your mission to the car, okay?
Affirmative. Deck 3, you are clear for launch. I am getting a high reading on the fuel pressure line. That's better. Check the binary motivator. Yes, I just want to be sure.
All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
Good. Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor. Thank you, Nina. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. The engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. More ships. Launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First order TIE fighters. Reroute. Red 2, Blue 5, we gotta get them down so transport can make the jump.
Red 2, more incoming! Blue 5 taking evasive action!
Try to shake your blue.
I'm trying,
We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to draw them away.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready. You won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there.
We can't. We're caught in the tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll go get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves. Prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
This ship is now under the command of the First Order. Exit this vessel, then you will move down the hole to the right toward interrogation and processing. I don't know how long
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side and...
Of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Stand back, that door's hot! All clear, Commander!
Alright, recruits, are you guys okay? We're part of the resistance, we're gonna break you guys out. Let's go, recruits! Move right over here to the left, over to the right. Move right to the left, over to the right. Move right to the left, over to the right. Any loose cargo, please place it on the floor.
We have the recruits.
For me, please.
Wait, you're still here? Poe's coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now.
Ready to walk into the
Lieutenant Beck, we need to find him a way.
Recautos para su seguridad. Permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus niños.
Yellow tap?
Yellow.
There you go. Alright guys, if I can show you guys all how many little tabs, I'm afraid you're gonna lose them. I do not want you guys to lose them, trust me, that would be painful. And if you could possibly lose them, you might not even get them back. Because last week, we had one of our recruits, she actually dropped a pair of those things you guys call ears. And my friend on fire ran them over.
Oh no.
Unfortunately, she couldn't get them back. Yeah, that's really painful. Alright, perfect. Alright, recruits, watch your hands being light. My friend on fire is going through the doors for you. Alright,
We want to try to save.
Right hand side. Beautiful, back row. Lock your hands on, shoot your legs.
What is your problem?
Closing.
Why are you causing problems? There's something that he doesn't want to let go of anybody.
That's all there, Commander.
All right, recruits. Hey, of course. Be with me. All right, recruits. Transmission will be appearing in the street here momentarily.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children.
I'm supposed to return it to the next person. Before the next people.
Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We have a breach in infringing block 3.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detachment to no D.
Take cover, recruit! If anyone's packing a blaster, now's a good time. The escape pod's just below us! Wait, why are you going up? I said down! Up is bad! Up is real bad!
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up, scan for his power beacon.
4 escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending.
Lieutenant back here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo!